In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off touch vibration on your Samsung device. Many Samsung phones have a feature that provides a small vibration whenever you touch the screen. While some people find it helpful for feedback, others may find it annoying or unnecessary. If you fall into the latter category, don't worry, as turning off touch vibration is quite simple and can be done in just a few easy steps. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Sounds and Vibration. After that, scroll down again and tap System Vibration. Now under the vibration feedback section, you'll see an option called Touch Interactions. To turn off touch vibration on your Samsung device, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.